From the words of Mr. Mike Manic, while fishing in rough water. Man, I'm out here catfishing in the rough water, man. Look how rough it is. It's rough, bruh. It is rough. I got a catfish line out. I got some worms I dug up in the homestead. Oh, help me not lose them. Okay, got them. There's a couple in there still. I just dug up a couple from the house, man. And that's how you fish, man. That's how you really do it. Fuck going to a store and buying some damn worms. Go dig you up your own damn worms and then go fishing with them. Hell, you might catch a better fish. So I'm sitting out here hoping I do just that. But I'm fishing in rough water. But that don't matter. We still catch fish in rough water too. Mike Manic, you the shit, bro. They all just, damn, man. I love fucking hip hop music, country rap, whichever way you want to call it. I just love it. Y'all have changed the game. I'm here to change the game on this west side of town for y'all, helping these, bringing it along. That's how we are doing it. Let's see what we got in here, man. I got a damn Stern Original. I got a Solutions I got Solutions 10 pounds. I think that's what is on here right now is this 10 pound. And just patiently waiting on a fish. Yeah, I'm in my normal spot, y'all. It's cleaned up out here right now. I'm telling you that. Man, we got it clean, man. Somebody done had a good clean bonfire. There's a little bit of trash right there, but for the most part, it's damn clean out here than what it was. I don't mind damn cleaning up a little bit, putting shit in a pile. Matter of fact, put something over top of it, shit won't damn go nowhere. So we're gonna go out here and get these bags right here. Bag number uno, bag number dos. Mexican motherfuckers, locos. I'm gonna grab this rock right here. And I'm just gonna damn set it like that so it don't damn blow in the way in the wind. Now, still pretty clean around here. Waiting on my line to bite, man. Waiting on my line. It's about, I don't know, I say quarter way out, I guess. I just got 3 little small weights out there, man. On my line, I meant 3 little small weights on my line. Sitting on the damn stump here that was already here. That's the stump I sit on over there. This all the time everybody sits on it, man. We just move it around. Move it around and sit it where you want to sit it. This is the community stump. Welcome to the community stump. Cheers. I'm drinking on it. Well, let's see what happens, man. I'm gonna hit the pause button. Y'all stay tuned. We'll wish something bite this thing, man. I swear I do. It's beautiful out here, though. Y'all see, man, I come out here and try to go fishing. Am I doing something wrong, man? I'm fishing worms, spinning bait, crankbait, all kinds of shit. I don't ever catch fish out here in this damn lake. The water looks good, but I just don't think that it is. Because for some reason, there ain't no damn, I'm gonna catch fish out of this bitch. This just ain't right, man, because I'll tell you what, you had the storm come through. The dam's right over there on the other side of the bridge, straight through there. And then it goes down and the bottom of the dam creates a new cove, and it goes out to them a whole nother lake. But over there it's super freaking muddy, man, and this ain't muddy at all. It's kind of damn clear. You go, if I could show y'all that other side, just right over there, man. I swear, man. It's orange as them damn orange rocks down in there, man. That muddy ass water. So I just think this is something going on, man. They got something in the water, man. They keeping it clean, and the fish ain't biting. Man, just don't know, man. Really don't. Man. Airplanes and stuff. I'm a pothead, y'all. I'm just a pothead, man. I like to smoke pot. Enjoy the beautifulness. And nature and stuff. You know what they say, if you don't cough, you don't get off. That's what we say, you don't cough, you don't get off. Damn, it's beautiful, man. Fish ain't bit yet. Stay tuned. Video ain't over. I ain't caught a fish yet, man. I mean, my battery's running dead. It's gonna have to be the end of the video. She's still out in the water. There's the rod. And then she's out there. My name's T-Ray, y'all. Fishing in rough water this evening. Peace.